Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the electric forklift truck. So let us detailedly discuss this electric forklift truck in the detail in the upcoming slides. Yes, before going to the today's session, let us recap the things that we have seen in the previous session. So in previous session, we have detailedly discussed about the electric truck, where the conventional IC engine truck has been replaced with the electric truck, and also it benefits the environment by providing by providing less pollution when you compare to the IC engine, and also it helps for the sustainability in the field of an automobile. Yes, so this topic, electric forklift, that we are going to see in a DTMS manner. So first we see the empathy part. So we are going to discuss about the pain points that make this particular electric forklift into the existent. So the first is the power requirement for the forklift truck. As I said earlier, this particular forklift truck, it has been used in the warehouses for the material handling purposes. So for that kind of condition, it is better enough to use the battery vehicles or the low power vehicles. It is not necessary to use engine in this particular vehicle, so we can switch over to EV. And the next is the next 3 points are directly related to the environment. So the climate change, as we all know, due to this pollution, this air pollution, or due to the things, there has been the climate change in our environment, as we aware of that. And also the fossil fuel crisis, as we all know, we are in the crisis of the fossil fuel due to the wars and other kind of what I say, other reasons. We have fossil fuel, and also in nature itself, the existence of fossil fuel is reducing day by day. So we need an alternative source in order to improve the sustainability in the field of an automobile. So for that, we are switching over ourselves to each and every vehicle to the form of an EV. Yes, in different ways, we need a forklift truck which will reduce the pollution, and also it improves the sustainability. So for that, we are going to replace the existing IC engine power forklift truck with the help of an EV forklift truck. So what are the things that the particular engine is going to be replaced with the motors and the batteries? Other than that, every component is going to be remain as same. So these are some components of a forklift truck: mast, lift cylinder, loading area, carriage, forks. So these are going to be the same as our IC engines, so like steering wheels, uh, operator cabin, overhead card. So these are the things which is as same as that of the IC engine power forklift. So the different here is the battery compartment, and also the motor that is going to drive the wheel. So these are the things that are going to show some difference between the EV powered forklift and the IC engine powered forklift. So in construction part, the construction is going to be the same, but in the IC engine area, we're going to fix the batteries, which is going to be situated under the seat of the driver, and from that the power has the battery. Compartment also it is fixed, as we seen in the picture. So this is the overall the components and construction of this particular forklift truck. Yes, we are going to in this slide we are going to discuss about the working. So the working, we know that we are going to replace the IC engine with a battery. So the battery will power the motor by means of current, and through that the motor has been rotated, and from the motor the rotation energy is transferred to the wheels. Okay, so not only this particular process is done in electric forklift truck, so in this that particular power is divided into two. First is for the vehicle movement, and another is for the actuation of the hydraulic assembly within this particular vehicle. Okay, so the hydraulic components of the hydraulic pump has been run with the help of this particular electric power, and through that the hydraulic actuation of each and every the actuation of each and every arms and the fork has been present in the vehicle is achieved. So this is the simple working and simple working of this particular forklift truck. So this normally the forklift truck comes on the type of the chargeable plug-in type vehicle. Okay. So for mind mapping for this topic, as we had discussed about the design goals, the major components, and the operation process of this particular forklift truck. Yes, before ending this session, let us summarize the thing that we have seen for so far. So first, we clearly seen about the requirements of this particular forklift truck, and we had discussed about its components construction and its working in detail with the help of the images, and also we have seen the main requirement of this particular forklift truck in detail in this session. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.